In the Feature Manager design tree, click on the front plane and select Sketch. Activate the Circle command. Move our cursor to the origin. We'll see a yellow square which indicates a coincident relation. Click to set the center of the circle at the origin. Then move our cursor outward to define the size of the circle and click again to confirm. Now let's assign a dimension to the circle. Turn on the Smart Dimension command. Click on the circle, then move our cursor outward and click again to place the dimension. When the Modify box pops up, type in 95 millimeters as the diameter, then press Enter to confirm. Head over to the Features tab and click on Extruded Boss Base. In the Direction 1 section, make sure Blind is selected from the drop-down. Set the depth to 6 millimeters. Hit OK to complete the operation. All right, let's add another sketch. Click on the front face of the model, then hit Sketch. Now, activate the Circle command. Draw a circle at the origin as the center of circle. Then, using Smart Dimension, click on the circle, move our cursor out, click again, and type in 30 millimeters as the diameter. Press Enter to confirm. Head back to the Features tab and click on Extruded Boss Base. Set the depth to 3 millimeters with Blind as the direction. Then, just click OK to finish it off. Next, click on the face we just extruded, then select Sketch. In the Sketch tab, select Offset Entities. The Property Manager will pop up on the left. Enter 3 millimeters as the offset distance, then check the reverse box to offset it inward. Click OK to complete the operation. Next, let's cut through it. Head over to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. In the Direction 1 drop-down, choose Through All. This makes sure the cut goes completely through the body. Once that's set, click OK to complete the operation. All right, next click on the front face of Boss Extrude 1, then click Sketch. In the Sketch tab, select Offset Entities. Enter 7 millimeters as the offset distance, and don't forget to check the reverse box to offset it inward. Once everything's good, hit OK. Let's add one more offset. Select Offset Entities again, then click on the edge of the middle circle to create another offset circle. Enter 7 millimeters as the offset distance. This time, we're good. No need to check reverse because the direction is already correct. Hit OK. Activate the Line command and draw a vertical line starting from the outer circle to the inner circle on the top side. Make sure to apply the coincident relation at both ends and follow the vertical relation for a clean, straight line. To draw another line in a different position without exiting the command, just double left-click. Now let's draw a horizontal line on the right side, starting from the outer circle to the inner circle. Just like before, make sure to apply the coincident relation at both ends and follow the horizontal relation to keep everything aligned perfectly. All right, let's add some dimensions. Turn on Smart Dimension, then click the origin and the vertical line. Assign the distance to 7 millimeters. Now do the same with the horizontal line. Click the origin and the line, then set the distance to 7 millimeters as well. Activate Trim Entities command. Now hold down the left mouse button and drag across the lines we don't need. All right, let's smooth out those sharp corners with some sketch fillets. In the Sketch tab, click on Sketch Fillet. First, select the 2 points on the outside corner and set the fillet radius to 7 millimeters. Now do it again, but this time for the 2 points on the inside corner and set the fillet radius to 12 millimeters. In the Sketch tab, select Mirror Entities. The Property Manager will pop up on the left. Now, using a box selection, click and drag to cover all the sketch entities we want to mirror. Then, under Mirror About, click the tiny icon in the top left corner of the graphics area to drop down the design tree. From there, choose Right Plane as our mirror line. Click OK to complete the operation. Head back to Mirror Entities. Use box selection again to grab all the entities in the sketch for entities to mirror. Now switch over to Mirror About, and this time select the top plane from the design tree. Click OK to complete the operation. Now let's cut that shape through the entire model. Head over to the Features tab and click on Extruded Cut. In the Direction 1 drop-down, choose Through All. Click OK to complete the operation. All right, next click on the edge of the inner extrude. The Context toolbar shows up. From there, click on Fillet. Now in the Property Manager, set the radius to 3 millimeters. Click OK to complete the operation. Now click on the cut surface, and from the Context toolbar, select Chamfer. In the Property Manager, make sure the chamfer type is set to angle distance. Click on the other cut surface to add it to the Items to Chamfer list. Set the distance to 0.5 millimeters. Once everything looks good, click OK to complete the operation. Great. Now let's save our work. Click the Save icon at the top left corner. In the File Name field, type Flywheel. Then hit Save. All right, time for the next exercise. Close the current file. Then, from the New menu, create a new part file. For this exercise, we'll be designing a combination spanner 17 millimeters. So let's get started.